Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see exploitation of blind XSS. So before going to blind XSS, let's see what actually is blind XSS. So whenever you come across any feedback form or a chatbot, or wherever any form in which you submit the request but you do not know what has happened in the background, when you put your XSS payload into the submit request and the request has been sent successfully, what has happened at the server end? What has happened? Has the XSS been exploited, executed? You don't know. So in this case, you are missing very critical bugs. So we are going to learn in this video series how can we do exploitation of blind XSS and identify those types of XSS. So yes, we learned through any form that you submit, you can test for blind XSS vulnerability. So we will submit a feedback form or a chatbot request, but we will not know if there exists a vulnerability of XSS. So we are going to give a payload which will make a request to the server when the payload is executed. So a very good tool that we are going to use for this demonstration is XSS Hunter. So yes, this is the practical time now. So let's see how we are going to do the practical. So before starting with the practical, I want to say to you guys that you can go on this website, that is https://xsshunter.com. After going onto this website, just go into the sign up tab. After going here, you can just fill these details: full name, your username, your password, the email that you want to use, and your custom domain. In custom domain, you just have to type whatever custom domain you want. So let's say I'm taking Hacktify blind XSS dot. So basically you don't have to type anything, just this name, and you will be assigned a custom domain, that is Hacktify blind XSS.xss.hunter. HT. You have to just click on I'm not a robot by typing whatever desired name you want and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will need to verify your email address and you will then be logged into the application. So let me just log into the application right now and show you that I already have an account onto this website. Yes. So I already have an account onto this website. So let's see the attack now. So for doing exploitation of blind XSS, we are going to use this website, that is testphp.vulnweb.com. So as you can see, there is a your profile field. I have logged into the application using the username test and the password test. As you can see, in the name field, I'm going to give the payload that I got from XSS Hunter. You just have to go into the payload section after you log in, and from there you can copy the script tag basic payload. You just have to click here, copy payload to clipboard, or you can manually copy from here. And this is the payload that I'm giving into the fields. So I've given it into the first name field, second credit card number field, third email field, fourth phone number, and fifth address field. And I will just hit on update button. After hitting onto the update button, now as you can see, the website is loading. Now I will just go to the first tab, that is XSS fires, to check if my XSS payload has been fired by any application. Basically it means, has it been executed or not? So we are waiting. You may also get an email onto your signed up email that you have used while making an account. Let's just wait for some more seconds and we will be able to see here. Perfect. As you can see now, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks that have been made. So this is the victim's IP and this is the vulnerable page that was userinfo.php. Perfect. So I hope you guys understood this POC in which we were able to attack and we were able to get a hit onto our server, which means it was clicked. This can be submitted in the proof of concept if you are reporting any vulnerability onto any website. I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much.